how to remove Powered by Wix on your website. So let's get started. So it's actually really easy to remove that because it is just a text on the website. So let's scroll down because it's usually found in the footer. So as you can see, here's the Powered by Wix. So just click on this right here. We'll click on the text, and then in here, click on Edit Text. And then from in here, you should be able to open the text setting. So here's text settings right here. So scroll down and here you can see the set text settings that you have. But what we can do as well is we can click on this specific thing right here and then open our quick edit. So click on quick edit in order to edit this specific text right here. So what we can do is you can click on edit text again and then scroll down until we reach the thing that we have used. So here's the quick edit. And then from there, scroll down until you reach the Powered by Wix option on the content that you're looking for. So here's right here. Here's Powered by Wix. So what we can do is we can just remove this Powered by Wix right here. Then click on here and exit that. And then as you can see, the footer will only contain the C credits for this and this lemon squeezy. As you can see, Powered by Wix has been removed.